This is a small crab that lives in warm, wet places near the sea. You can find it on sandy beaches, intertidal muddy flats, swamps, and lagoons. These places are called intertidal zones because they are wet when the tide comes in and dry when it goes out. Its home is a hole in the sand or mud called a burrow. They do not live long. Most live only about 2 years in the wild. In some places, they can live up to 3 years in captivity. They are small. Most are only 2 to 3 centimeters wide. They have a hard shell called a carapace, and they use their claws and legs to move sideways. They are usually brown, red, orange, or blue depending on the species. It is easy to recognize because of its claws. The male has one very large claw and one small claw. The female has 2 small claws. The big claw of the male looks like a violin or fiddle. The male uses his big claw to wave at females. This is how he tries to find a mate. The waving is also used to scare away other males. The female watches how he waves and chooses her mate based on the size of his claw and the style of the wave. After choosing a mate, she lays her eggs in his burrow. A big claw often means a bigger, better burrow which keeps the eggs at the right temperature. This helps the baby crabs grow well. They eat small bits of plants and animals in the mud or sand. They use their small claw to bring food to their mouth. They help clean the beach by eating this food and digging in the sand. They are very important for nature. They help keep the sand and mud healthy. They also help other animals by moving the sand and making holes that can be used by smaller creatures.